we talk about the application, no? Yung kinonect natin yung konsepto and the execution and the application. And what is needed is understanding, okay? And we did a good approach. We did a good introduction because it's all about concept, and we follow it up with the application and the programs, no, that are available. And this is the IMG way. No, this is financial education, the IMG way. No, because as I've mentioned many times, no, when we go to the bank or we go to any financial institution, insurance company, usually, usually po, no, their approach is product, no, right away. No, so automatic product yung ino-offer sa atin. So binibentahan tayo. And while it's not, there's nothing wrong with it naman, pero yung sistema is more on the selling side. And meaning to say, the banks and the insurance company, they train people to sell. All right? In fact, halos lahat ng mga empleyado sa bangko, may quota yan, no? Because they are trained to sell, no? Same thing with the insurance companies. They recruit people, they train people to sell. Now, there's nothing wrong with that. However, there's a better approach. The better approach is financial education. And that's what IMG has been doing for the last 24 years, since 1996. Financial education po yung pinupush natin because it's the primary step. It's the primary, ano talaga, no? What you call this, element or component to achieve financial security. The rest will just follow. Okay? Investing in a product, in a program will always follow if you've understood, if your understanding is enough, no? You can, easily invest, no? And you can decide to save and decide to invest because you've understood already. And isa sa mga pinaka tool natin dito sa IMG is this book. I've been showing to you guys this book, the textbook, okay, and the workbook. Okay, so if you're a member of IMG, you will have access to this, a soft copy of this, and a live class, live workshop. Plus, at the same time, you're given access to the online workbook or workshop, no? So very excited for you guys, especially if you are a first timer or if you're not yet a member. Yung na-experience ko po for the last 14 years, you will start to experience it already in your part, no, in your life. And but don't be like me, no, na you know what, you have to like learn everything that I've learned before you execute, no, execute agad. Okay, do not wait for you to learn what I've learned. You need to say, do not wait for you to know what I've learned for the last 14 years, that ibibigay ko sa iyo yung lahat ng 14 years na learning ko. No, if you want to learn what I've learned, then you must enroll right away. You must join right away. And if you want to invest, and the way I invested, I've invested 14 years ago, more than 14 years ago. I started saving 14 years ago. I started paying my debts 14. I started taking control over my finances 14 years ago. Then I'm excited for you. When you join IMG, you will take control of your finances. Kasi pag sinabi natin take control of finances, ano po yung opposite? The opposite is money is controlling you instead of you controlling money. And when money is controlling you, guess what? Money is your boss. Okay? Pag pupunta ka sa mall and then talagang natitempt ka to buy, and then kasasahod mo lang or you have a credit card, money is controlling you. And nakikita mong 50% discount, 70% discount, money is controlling you, right? But you have to take control of money. You have to take back the control. And the only way is to be financially educated enough, to be financially disciplined enough. And what's the best move? Join IMG. Join the community. Okay? Kaya sinabi natin kahapon, be with a group who inspire you to save and manage money. Right? If you are with 5 millionaires, and you will be the 6th millionaire. If you are with 5 successful people, and you will be the 6th successful person. All right? And lahat ng mga lectures natin, discussion natin, is what you call taken from this book. Okay, it's taken from this book, yung nakikita natin dyan sa screen. So probably the best thing that can happen to you is this Christmas is you give yourself that book. You give yourself the gift of knowledge. that book, and you give your family members the gift of knowledge through that book. So become a member of IMG, let them become a member of IMG. So give each other the gift of knowledge this Christmas. Not just material things po, but financial education po yung focus natin. All right? So there are four reasons why people join our community. Okay? There are four reasons. Are you ready? Pakitype nga dyan if you're ready. Show me that you're ready. Pakitype nga dyan you're ready, or kindly click the reaction button, thumbs up if you're ready. All right, good, very good. Okay, highly appreciated. Okay, good, very good. All right, so there are four reasons why people join our community. Okay, the first reason is access. Second is value. Third, system. Fourth is industry. So let's stay a little bit more on this slide, okay? Let me elaborate a bit more on this slide. Access, value, system, and industry. First is access, okay? The traditional way, okay, if you read that arrowhead there, no, the traditional way, agents, okay, financial professionals, you know, if what you call this, you want a car insurance, you need to go to a car insurance agent, okay? So, and if you want life insurance, you need to go to a life insurance agent. So, different agents, different needs, you go to different agents, all right? If you want investment, you need to talk to an investment solicitor, right? A licensed investment solicitor, or a CIS, certified investment solicitor. Sila po yung mga tao na that are allowed to offer to you mutual fund. Hindi po lahat ng insurance agent nag-offer ng mutual fund. At hindi po lahat ng insurance company nag-offer ng mutual fund. All right? Take note on that. So, for different financial needs, you have to talk to different people. All right? That's the traditional way. Okay? But the modern way is no agent. Sabi dyan sa slide, sabi dyan sa screen, no agent needed. You can access the leading providers, at the same time, get financial education for your family. And that's what we are doing now. You get financial educated, hindi ka pa nga nag-join, educated ka na. How much more if you join? Hindi ka pa nga nag-join, you already see the benefits. How much more if you join? You experience the benefits. You don't need an agent to tell you what to do when it comes to your money. You are the person who should decide. Because your future does not depend on anybody, not your bank manager, not your real estate agent, not your insurance agent, but in your hand. The future of your children does not depend on your insurance agent na nagbibenta sa iyo ng education plan. No, it depends on you. It depends on your commitment to the future of your children. Kaya magjo-join ka ng IMG if you want this benefit. Access. Value. Okay, ano po ibig sabihin ng value? Again, there are many agents and many agents compete. And when many agents compete, you know, there are many fees. And then the service are uncertain. Why? Because the agents are given quota. Okay, the agents are given quota. And what happens after a few months, after a few years, that they're no longer connected with their present company? Mawawalan ka ng agent. Kaya sinasabi nila orphan. Okay, in the financial, in the insurance companies, yung mga clients na wala na pong agent, orphan. So who will take care of you? Who will assist you? That's a traditional way, right? The modern way is this. Since you don't need an agent anymore, the transaction is between you and the company. And since you are a member of IMG, the bigger transaction happens between IMG and company. Okay, so mean to say, you are a member of IMG, IMG represents you, and you represent IMG, and the company will always honor and serve you. Why? Because the contract is between IMG and the company, not between you, an agent, a client, and an agent. Okay, so this is a higher level now, no? And of course, company to company, there are rates, there are discounted rates, there are exclusive options. Imagine, I'll give you an example. In a big company, let's say a big, big corporation, pag bumibili sila ng kotse, sasakyan, okay, there are two options, no? They can let their employee buy a car, and that's it. The employee gets the actual price, no? But the company can buy a car for the employee. And what's that? That's discounted. Why? Because the car companies give fleet discount to that corporation. So kasi bibili sila ng 5, 10 for their employees. So the car company gives a fleet discount. Discount, ano po yan? Discount. Pero mean to say, pag ikaw lang yung bumibili, wala kang discount, right? You are only what you call this, the person who is talking to you is the car salesman. And that's the best you can get, no? That's the best discount, best benefit you can get, no? The sales talk of a car salesman. Sa atin po, hindi, no? Kasi since the contract is between company to company, IMG and those partner companies, you get discounted and special rates. Later on, we'll expound on that if we have time. All right? That's value. Okay? Now, I'll give you an example. I cannot expound further, but I give you an example. Let's say mutual fund. The mutual fund, if you go to Sun Life, if you go to Philam Life, you can. Nothing wrong with that. But you have to talk to an insurance agent that is certified investment solicitor. So when you transact, you fill up some forms, and then boom, you submit, and you become a mutual fund client. But every time you add on that investment, may kaltas po yan, may entry fee. And usually the entry fee would range around 3.5% to 5% to 6%, right? Every time you invest po. And how often you invest? Let's say every month. So every month, kinakaltasan po yung pera mo, yung investment mo. And that is industry. That is ruling. That is what you call regulation, right? But if you are with IMG, okay, if you are with IMG, Sun Life will not give you charge, or will not charge you, will not charge an entry fee. Okay, Sun Life will automatically accept your investment, and every time you add, there's zero entry fee. Same thing with Philam Life. So what do you mean by that? That is zero entry fee. That is a benefit because you're an IMG member. See, paborito mo yung Sun Life at saka Philam, pero maging IMG member ka, mas maging paborito mo sila kasi magkaroon ka ng discount. And I was talking kanina about car discount. One of the benefits of being an IMG member, which we haven't talked before sa mga sessions natin, is when you buy a car, when you buy a brand new car, okay, you go to a car dealer and you get the price based on what the salesman will tell you, right? But if you're an IMG member, ipapadaan mo sa IMG, then IMG will represent you in getting a fleet discount. And kahit isang kotse lang yung binili mo, you're already under the discounted price kasi ang dami nang kasi in bulk kasi IMG, okay? Dinadala mo yung IMG represents you, okay? So you don't have to go to the car dealer anymore. You just tell IMG, I want this model, I want this car, and I want this variant. Then IMG will quote for you from the partner car dealer, and then the car dealer gives the best discount, the best rate. Kaya nga maraming nagkakaroon ng discount here at 100,000, depends on the model, right? So that is access and value. And in IMG, we help people, save money, literally. Meaning to say, nakaka-save talaga because of the discount. And not only that, because of financial education, we help people realize na whatever they save, they can also grow that money. Okay? Nakaka-save na sila. Good. But they can also grow that money so that they can save times 2, times 3 more. Right? So what is that? Access and value. And the system we're talking about, okay, is this one, no? Traditional way, clients only, sales system, limited service, no security. Mean to say, yung sistema traditionally is client ka lang. Okay? Customer ka lang. You go to the bank, you're just a depositor. You're a customer. Okay? You go to insurance company, you're a client, you're a customer. So if you pay annual account, you only see the agent once a year. Okay? Kasi annual yung binabayad mo. If you paid spot cash one time, you only see the agent one time. Okay? Kasi yun, because you're just a customer. It's just like a car salesman. You only see the car salesman when you pick a car. But after nagkaroon ka na ng kotse, you don't anymore see the car salesman because that's sales system, right? In IMG, this is partnership. We want to work with you regularly. We want to meet with you regularly. We want to talk with you often and always. Why? Because we are partners. You are not a client that we want just to see once a month or once a year. No. We want to see you all the time in our trainings and meetings. Okay? That's the system. Education system. We are not a sales platform. We are an education platform. Parang estudyante. The teacher wants to see the student present all the time. Diba? And of course, for me, kailangan. Kasi financial education, if you are serious to learn, if you are serious to grow, improve your financial life, might as well maximize all the trainings here. Knowledge, diba? Gift of knowledge. If you are not yet a member, give yourself and your family a gift of knowledge. Join IMG, right? And again, that's the modern way. That's the IMG way. Okay, traditional way, Customer ka lang, we want to see you once a month, once a year, and one time only. That's it, because that's the sales system. In IMG, this is an education system wherein we want to see you as often as we want to. We want to invite you and remind you that there are trainings and lectures and seminars because we are different. That's a system. And industry. Ano po yung industry? Traditional, the industry is focused on selling. Kahit saan ka pang insurance company, bibentahan ka talaga. Okay? They look at you as a sales number, as a quota, as part of the quota. So if you go to insurance company number 1, they'll sell to you the best product that they tell you. If you go to insurance company number 2, they sell to you the best product that they tell you. So mean to say, because you are just a customer, so you're a person, you're meant to be sold at. Mean to say, baligyan ka dapat. Bisaya, no? Bibentahan ka kasi what are you doing here? Diba? So bibentahan ka, right? But in a modern way, in the IMG way, distribution, we are entrepreneurs. Meaning to say, we want to work with you because we want to equip you not only with knowledge and understanding about financial, but we want to help you take control of your finances by becoming part of the organization, by getting the discounts, and by choosing the programs that will fit your financial needs. We want to work with you. And also, we want also to help you earn extra income by getting you licensed inside the financial industry. So if you want that, we can work with you on that as well. So those are the four top reasons why people join IMG, because of access, value, system, and industry. And if you think, upon listening to this discussion, if you think you also want that, you also want access, you also want value, you want the system. You don't want to be baligyan lang ka, di ka ganang baligyan ka. Ganahan ka i-educate ka. Ganahan ka nga naayoy mo, take care mo, assist mo all the time na tuluan ka. No, you want that we were here for you and we will help you achieve your goal. Then join IMG. This is the organization you should belong to. This is the organization you should get your family be involved in, because this is more on like improving your financial well-being. And there's no better time than now to really focus on be conscious about the way we decide about money. Kasi hindi natin pinag-aralan eh. And a lot of money mistakes already. So we want to improvise on that. We want to build on that. We want to grow on those experiences. And this time, you have IMG as your partner. All right? So be part of the community. The top reasons why you need to be part of the community: access, value system, and industry. Now, be part of the community. How? Okay? First stop, join and own. Ano po yung join and own? When you enroll and be with a community of savers and investors, not only you help yourself, you also help your family. Because if you realize, guys, no, if you think, no, you wake up in the morning or you even do graveyard shift in your job, para kanino ka bumabangon, di ba? But you work hard for whom, right? You sacrifice your time for whom? Di ba? For your family. So you get to join this community not only for yourself, but also for your family. Okay, included na yan sa package. Na you're doing this, you're learning, you want to improve your life, not only for yourself, but also for the future of your family as well. And the owning part is you want to take control of your own financial future. You want to build a better financial future for your own family. You want to build a solid foundation. That's why you want to take control. As sinabi natin kanina, when you have a lot of money mistakes, it means money is controlling you. Now, you realize, now you learn, then you want to take control of money. You want to take control of your financial life. You don't want that you go to the mall and you get tempted with a 50% discount. You want that when you go to the mall and there's 50% discount, you ask yourself, so what? Di ba? Hindi ko naman yan kailangan. Di ba? So, ganun. We want that change for you. And you want to own it. We want you to own it. Mean to say, you decide for yourself. IMG is just here to guide you and help you all the way. That is join and own, right? And the third is share. Okay? Share, it means you found out that this is something good for you. Why don't you share it to your other friends and relatives and sister or brother or kamag-anak? Why don't you share it to your neighbors? Why don't you share it to your office mate? Anyway, you have nothing to lose when you share, and they have nothing to lose when they listen. If you found something good, you will share it to people, right? If you found something good, you will share it to your loved ones. Okay? You don't want to share something that can hurt them. You want to share something that can be that can bring negativity in their life, that can bring disaster in their life, you always share the instinct. Human instinct is we always want to share to people something good. We always want to say the good news. Yep, that's the human instinct. However, in the social media and everybody right now in the news, people hear negative news, right? And nasanay na yung mga tao, negative na lahat pinapashare. You know what? You have the power to share good news, and this is something good news. Amidst the confusion, the pandemic, amidst the uncertainty, this is something good news that gives hope, not just to you, but to your friends and family members as well. So you want to share to them, invite them in our classes. That's already a big deal. That's already a big accomplishment when you invite them to your classes, to our classes, when you invite them to listen to our seminars, webinars, when you invite them to join IMG, then that's already one big deal of sharing and helping other people as well. And one of the major benefits that IMG can give to you as a member of the community is this. Kanina, we talk about discounts, we talk about special rates, we talk about access, we talk about value, we talk about financial education. And one benefit that IMG can also give you is earn income benefit. Okay, referral income benefit, income incentive. You want to prosper through your savings as well as set up an additional income stream or cash flow or income in earn income in six figures or more. So no better time than now to look for ways to augment your income. Kung hindi mo naisip last year, few years ago to earn extra on the side, ngayon, wag ka nang mag-isip. Just do it. Kasi nakikita natin ngayon, marami akong kakilala, professionals. Yung iba, lawyers, nagbebenta ng tanim. Right? Yung iba, nagluluto ng kahit ng cake, iba nagluluto ng mga pagkain, ng mga putahe, ng mga specialty nila and binibenta nila online. And why have you waited for pandemic to think about earning extra on the side? That when you have 24 hours, okay, you have all the time to earn extra on the side. Okay? When you have 24 hours, you don't have to depend on one source of income. Okay? You can have another source of income, three sources of income, four. Long time ago, I met somebody, he's a teacher. She's a teacher. This lady, a teacher of an international school. She works during the day and during the evening, she accepts tutorials, right? So yung mga parents ng mga estudyante, binabayaran siya ng extra 5,000 pesos per student in a month, right? So there was a family and they had 4 kids and binabayaran siya 5,000 each for that kid just to tutor every night. Imagine, additional 20,000 a month and minsan mas malaki pa kaysa sahod. So, mean to say, do not limit your opportunity and the time right now and your capability. Now, if you're join IMG and you're already involved in this advocacy and gustuhan mo yung ginagawa natin, then you deserve also some what you call this reward in terms of income side. Okay? If you want to. Okay? So, ang dami nating benefit. Earning an extra income is just one of the major benefits that IMG is willing to give to you if you want to. And for me, kahit even mga mayayaman na ngayong panahon na ito, they want to earn income. So, you better decide right now, as fast as you can, join IMG and try to maximize and learn the career side, the professional side. Kasi nang pag-join mo sa IMG, you get a license already from the government. You already get a professional license. Anong gagawin mo sa license? Di ba? Yung doktor nga, more than 10, 20 years nag-aaral, right? To get a good to be very good in terms of sa profession niya and mag-specialize pa siya just to make money as a doctor, right? Teacher kailangan ng license, driver kailangan ng license, engineer kailangan ng license, lawyer kailangan ng license. Tayo rin as financial professionals, we want to help you become the best financial educator and financial coach to your family and friend. Binibigyan ka ng license at tinitrain ka. And you can also maximize that license by making it as a professional career. That's one very best thing that can happen to you this Christmas. Aside from giving yourself the gift of knowledge, give yourself the gift of extra income stream. Sabi ni Robert Kiyosaki, have multiple income stream. Now, you start with one, your own income, and you get another from IMG, that's already more than one. So for me, it's additional income. That's multiple already. Okay? So moving forward, Okay, tandaan natin yan ha. Join, own, share, and earn. So, moving forward, people want to join IMG. Now, for me, there are two options, basic options. No? Basic member, okay? Pag naging basic member ka, of course, all you need to do is you decide to join, you get license. You pay a certain membership fee, no? And then, automatic, no? Sa lahat ng mga benefits ni IMG, these are the basic ones, no? Like, you get automatic 50,000 additional life insurance and burial benefits. So, whatever you have right now, insurances and all, this is on top of that. And this is in the form of cash. Okay? And another, on top of the 50, you get 100,000. Okay? 100,000 additional accident insurance. Ngayon, nagmo-motor ka, or whatever you do, you get 100,000 accident insurance in case something happen, right? So you get protected, okay? And then, automatic, you already get an online mutual fund account. Lahat po ng members ng IMG, you don't need to fill up any paper, what you call documents and all. Pag na-process natin yung membership mo online, okay, you coordinate with the person who invited you. Pag na-process natin yung membership mo online at na-approve yan, automatic, you can access your own portal, your own members website, and in that website, you already have the mutual fund account. Naka-ready na yan with 1,000 shares. All you need to do is add up and add up and add up until you reach your retirement yaman goal. You remember the retirement yaman goal? Di ba? Yung option 1, 2, and 3. So yan, magkakatotoo na yan. We will materialize that for you and for your family because automatic, lahat po ng IMG members magkakaroon and already have an online mutual fund account po. Okay? So of course, the more you can access financial training programs. Okay? The more you can access other sources of education materials, educational webinars and seminars as well. Okay? So if you learn from this seminar that's free, how much more learning will you get when you join the organization? All right? How much more changes? If you've been here since Tuesday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and you observe some changes already in your mentality, how much more change will you expect when you become a member of this community? All right? And hindi lang ikaw yung babaguhin. Not only your mindset, but the mindset of the entire family. Okay? Alam ko may mga families before, no? They love to spend, they love to buy things, buy stuff, right? But right now, since they are members of IMG, talagang napaka-conscious na nila when it comes to spending. Before, they never have a plan when it comes to retirement. Right now, the entire family is involved in the community. Okay? And bank manager, retired bank manager pa yung father. And then yung mother is a retired government employee. And sabi ng father, retired bank manager, I've never known this information before, even if I'm a bank manager. Ngayon ko lang to na understood talaga by being involved with IMG. Imagine, no? Even a bank manager humbly claims that, he never knew about these concepts, even nasa bangko na siya. So, how much more tayo, no? If you are not into the banking industry, financial industry, how limited is our knowledge as well when it comes to this. And that is po basic membership. Pero kung gusto mo mas superior benefit, okay, if you want more superior benefit, 49 of us here listening to this session, if you're not yet a member, you can be a basic member agad. You can just do bank transfer. You can coordinate with the person who invite you. But if you want a superior benefit, a better benefit, choose to be an associate member. Okay? As an associate member, yan po yung kompleto. Join, own, share, and earn. License and accredited ka pa rin. Then, medyo na-upgrade yung burial at death benefit mo. Medyo na-upgrade yung accident insurance mo. Kaling sa 100, naging 1 million. Okay, when was the last time covered ka ng 1 million accident insurance? When was the last time meron kang 500,000 burial memorial plan, right? You have a mutual fund account online pa rin. Nandyan pa rin yung access na financial education training. But ito guys, mas excited ako para sa iyo because with that associate membership, naka-open ka na rin ng 4-in-1 package, long-term healthcare. Remember the 4-in-1 package, yung option 3? 7 years ka lang magsisave, 60,000. After a year, after 20 years, you have at least 1 million pesos. Or at age 60, you have around 6.4 million. And what is even more, a greater benefit is financial broker business potential. So it can help you earn 6-figure income a month, even more. If you want to earn 100,000 a month, you can. If you want to earn more than that, you can. If you want to earn 50,000 extra, you can. Sabihin mo lang sa kaibigan mo, nag-invite sa'yo sa IMG, Sabihin mo lang, I want to earn an extra 50,000, 100,000 part-time. Pwede ba? Pwede. So as a basic member, 6,000 pesos lang yung enrollment mo. Okay? You're a student of IMG, learn ka ng learn, and you start to invest in a mutual fund. Good for you, right? But if you are an associate member and susundin mo, kukunin mo yung advice natin yesterday or the other day ba yon na yung 4-in-1 program na bracket na around 60,000 a year to start with, you just start around 5,000 plus or 6,000 plus together with the 6,000 membership. Kaya binuo natin yung 12,382 is because the 6,000 membership plus yung chosen natin bracket na Kaiser program, the 4-in-1. Of course, you can change that. It depends on you whether you can choose a higher program or lower program. Kung gusto mo more than 1 million 20 years after, choose a higher program. Gusto mo lesser than 1 million 20 years after, choose a lower program. Now, if you choose based on what we showed to you yesterday, then it will become 12,382 to start with, to become an associate member. And especially if you are in the Philippines, so that's Philippine code, no? Kaya may asterisk dyan. So ask your friend who invited you how to get started. Ano yung programa that will fit you? Ano yung program that will help you achieve your retirement yaman goal? And of course, I suggest to you guys at least get yung 60,000 a year so that guaranteed yung 1 million pesos 20 years after. Anything below that is below 1 million pesos, and ayaw natin yan kasi 1 million ngayon, maliit na yan eh. How much more 20 years from now? So we want to give you the best advice, and that's the best advice. Start with the 60,000 per year program, right? Kaya nga nilagyan ni IMG ng financial brokerage career, professional career, so that whatever you earn, take note of this, whatever you earn extra, it will sustain your projects sa savings. Meaning to say, upon approval of your associate membership, you already have a mutual fund account and you already have a 4-in-1 account. And when you start to save, then you can add to that account already kasi naka-ready na. And when you start to earn extra, you can also add to that account already. So, mean to say, yung savings line, if natandaan natin, gusto natin sustainable. And your first income, you're using it for your needs. But your secondary source of income, you're using it for your savings. You're using it to pay your debts. You're using it to build wealth. You're using it to build your yaman goals. Kaya nga, binigyan natin ng sa additional professional, additional income, career as a financial coach, as a financial educator. And try mo, learn it because wala yan sa TESDA. Sa TESDA, mga livelihood yan, mga skills. Sa atin, IMG, financial skills, right? And this career can help you even make more than, what is the average income out there, right? So I'll show you guys what will happen if you choose the associate membership program, okay? An associate membership level. Let's say pinili mo yung 12,382. As I've said, it will vary based on the Kaiser program, the 4-in-1 program that you choose, and you pair it with the 6,000 pesos na membership. This is the computation. 6,000, membership po yan, enrollment. And then the Kaiser 4-in-1 program, the starting program is 5,882 to open the account, plus the policy fees, 500, that's 6,382. You add it up, that's 12,382. And again, you can choose whatever Kaiser program you want to start with. Okay? Ang importante, guys, it doesn't matter whether your original plan is annual or semi-annual or spot cash. Importante is get started with the first month muna para maging associate ka agad. And you can upgrade later on. Okay? And then share, invite friends, set a meeting online, invite them to a training like this or to the training that your friend will gladly share to them, and experience the income incentive here. Ang importante, maka-experience ka. Kasi pag the traditional business kasi yung pinili mo, how much capital you need just to earn few pesos. Imagine yung mga nagbebenta ng tanim. Nothing wrong with that. I also buy tanim. I also buy a lot of tanim. Yung asawa ko si Joanne also buy a lot of tanim. Yung nagbebenta ng tanim, how much income they earn versus how much effort they do, right? And how much capital they pour in, right? Yung mga gumagawa na nagluluto, nagbebenta ng mga pagkain, nothing wrong with that. I also buy a lot of food stuff online. But how much effort are you willing to pursue to earn such income, right? Or just example, let's say if you earn at least 100 pesos, kailan ka mag-earn ng 1,000? You have to sell 10 pieces of it. Gusto mo mag-earn ng 10,000, you have to sell 1,000 pieces of it, right? Or 1,000 pieces of it. Gusto mo magka-earn ng 100,000 and yung profit mo lang per product you are selling is 100 pesos. How can you earn 10,000? You just sell around 1,000 pieces, and how can you earn 1,000 pieces in just 1 month, right? So mean to say, the effort versus income yan. Dito sa IMG, the only effort you need to do is to listen and attend and invite some people to attend the class. Okay? And the only capital you need to shell out is the 12,382 at the start, right? And at once started, then the business will also start wherein you just invite people to attend the seminar classes. And you'll never know who are the people you want to help, who are the people na gusto nilang matulungan sarili nila, right? Sabi ng iba, Jess, so do we need to invite people? You don't need to invite people, just share. Kasi when you share to people, you don't really invite, you just let them listen and walang mawawala. When you say invite kasi, parang birthday yan eh. Parang birthday. When you say invite, they have to do a lot, they have to prepare a gift, they have to dress up. No, when you say share, sabihin mo lang sa kanya, i-message mo lang sa kanya, padalhan mo lang link. Okay, yung mga recorded videos natin since Tuesday, padalhan mo ng link and ask them what you think. What do you think of that? And pag sinabi nila, gustuhan ko yung message, what it's about, then schedule a Zoom, right? Schedule a Zoom class. So ito po yung nangyayari, very simple, very easy. You don't get your hands dirty on this kind of professional career, okay? And what's good is this. We have 3 membership levels, 3 membership milestone. Naging associate ka when you start the 12382 program. Now, if you help around 5 associates, then IMG, the community, the entire community of 600,000 members will recognize you as a new marketing director. That's a recognition. Helping 5 people is a recognition, right? In your office, when was the last time you got recognized? Diba? So, your marketing director, 5 associates, just a recognition because you are a member of the community, right? And then you help 30 people join and say become associate. That's a recognition, senior marketing director. So, if you're a kind of person who wants to get recognized, then this could be a good package for you, recognition. And for what? For helping people, sharing to people about what we have. That's the best you can get recognition, and that's okay. Why? Because when was the last time you helped somebody and you never got recognized, right? You never got recognized. Nag-post ka lang ng Facebook, walang nag-like, nagtatampo ka na, right? Dito sa IMG, you get recognized. 5 associates pa lang tinutulungan mo, you get recognized, di ba? So ask your friend who invited you how to maximize those, because in the insurance company, I tell you guys, in the insurance company, it's similar to that. The insurance company, you start as an agent, and then pwede ka maging unit manager, and pwede ka maging branch manager. Yan po sa insurance agent. Pero you need to work your butt off because you have a quota. Right? You need to go full-time, right? Dito sa atin, share ka ng share, mission ka lang ng mission. And then, you become a marketing director, you become senior marketing director, and you do it online, right? So part-time. So that's how easy it is, right? So nagbebenta ka ng tanim, anyone recognize you for having a lot of tanim na binabenta? Wala, di ba? Siguro the only recognition you want is your customer will post something on Facebook and say, thank you for this beautiful plant. Or nagbebenta ka ng pagkain, the only recognition you seek is for your customer to post on Facebook and say, salamat, this is delicious, tastes good. Everybody needs some sort of recognition. In IMG, binibigay natin yan. Now, talking about income, again, is another benefit of IMG. There are 2 major types of income, personal income and team income. Okay? Guys, I'll not talk about the team income because it's being focused, it's being elaborated more on one of our workshop. So if you want to know more about what's the potential, how big is the potential income here, even part-time, attend the workshop classes. There's one workshop there that talks about earning at least $1 million income in a year or 80,000 to 100,000 in a month in just 6 months. All right. So guys, I'm very excited for you. If you want to try out this career, 100%, I guarantee to you, you'll get something out of it. Okay. Not only the learning, but the income side, the career side, and the change that's going to happen to your life before the year ends 2020. I focus more on that personal income a bit, all right? So personal income, share to your friends, present to them, and you don't have to present to them. Your trainer will present to them, your coach will present to them, and your friend won't sign up. You don't make money when people join IMG. We don't make money because we are not a multi-level deal. We don't make money because that membership, licensing po yan. That's licensing, professional license po yan. No one makes money out of it. However, if now you remember our partner companies, they are the ones giving you the benefit. They're the ones giving you the discount, And they're the ones giving you also the referral income benefit, right? Referral income incentive. It's not IMG. Pinadaan lang ni IMG, but they are the ones giving yung mga partner companies natin. Let's talk about the 4-in-1 program. Okay, let's talk about the 4-in-1 program. Now, how many of your friends out there wants to have lifetime healthcare? Lahat. But how many of your friends out there already have lifetime healthcare? Wala pa. So you have to share to them so that they'll know awareness. You don't have to sell to them, just share to them what this program is all about. How many of your friends out there nagkaroon na ng senior care, healthcare para sa mga nanay at tatay nila? Wala pa sila kasi hindi nila alam meron palang senior care. Right? In this example, let's talk about 4-in-1 healthcare, right? So 4-in-1 healthcare, every person you help, Kaiser gives you around 12,000 pesos. Okay, 12,000 pesos, not bad, right? One person you help, nagkakaroon siya ng healthcare, nagkaroon siya ng 1 million pesos 20 years after, mas malaki pa yung benefit niya kaysa income mo. Pero at least yung oras mo, isang oras mo lang sinisharean siya, meron ka ng 12,000. And how bad is that? Right? Right? You know, nabibenta ka ng tanim, how many tanim you have to sell to earn 12,000? Nabibenta ka ng pagkain, how many pagkain you have to sell to earn 12,000? Nabibenta ka ng prutas, how many prutas you have to, what you call this, sell to earn 12,000, right? This is something good and you don't get your hands dirty. All right? This is something professional. Okay? And what happens if you are helping 5 people? If you're helping 5 people, of course, multiply it by 5. That's 60,000. 12 times 5. Okay? And how bad is it that you make an extra about 60,000 this month? And let's say half of it na lang, 30,000. How bad is it? No, it's not bad. You're helping somebody get a 4-in-1 program, and in return, Kaiser gives you a referral incentive, income incentive, because you're a professional financial coach, because you just invited and shared to your friend with the help of your trainer as well. And how bad is it? It's not bad. It's so good. All right? 14 years ago po, ito yung nakikita ko, ito yung napakinggan kong information, and I tried it. And it was so good that it made me quit my job after 8 months. It made me pay all my debts in just 3 months. It made me have courage and confidence in myself that pwede palang kumita yung isang engineer outside his own profession. I was an engineer by profession. I was thinking I will only make money as an engineer. Other than that, I will not make money. But IMG gave me another perspective. I can also earn a professional income as a financial coach. Mean to say, hindi ko pinag-aralan ng 4 years or 5 years pagiging financial coach. Nag-join lang ako ng IMG and I just learned in the next 2 to 3 months. I just quit my job 8 months after I joined. That was 2006. And ito na yung ginagawa ko, hindi na yung engineering career ko. Now, hindi ko sinasabi, guys, bukas, mag-quit ka sa trabaho mo. Okay? Hindi ko yan sinasabi. Sinasabi ko lang, lahat tayo, we need extra income. And this could be a more professional way to earn income on the side by being a financial coach. Okay? Being a financial coach, this is a way with dignity that you can make money out of teaching people, guiding people, save and plan for the future. All right? So, guys, okay? Especially if you try this and continue to do it in the next 6 to 8 months. Ito yung mangyayari sa iyo, guys. After 6 to 8 months of doing this mission part-time, you get to have an income of average 50,000 every month. This is not instant. Sinasabi natin dyan, after 6 to 8 months of doing part-time, you can earn at least an average of 50,000 a month extra. That's around 12,000 to 10,000 to 12,000 per week kasi we earn money here, binabayaran ka every week. Okay? So, what can an extra 50,000 do to your family? Marami. It can do more. What can an extra 50,000 do to your utang? It can pay your utang. What can an extra 50,000 do to your savings goals and investment goals? It can increase and build up your savings goals. All right? So, try this out. Okay? Try this out. 12,382, maging associate ka. Ask your friend how to get started. Kung pinipili mo yung Kaiser lower program, so mas maliit pa sa 12,382, you can already start becoming a professional financial coach here. Okay? Everybody is willing to help you, but no one can help you if you're not willing to help yourself. But everybody can help you if you are willing to help yourself. No one can stop you if you're willing to help yourself. All right? So become a professional financial coach, become a financial educator, join IMG, get trained here. All right? So guys, this is my last slide. And this is what I can tell you in the last slide. In IMG, we help you get started saving. Not just saving, but saving the right way. All right? In IMG, the right person earns the income. If ayaw mo ng income kasi ang dami mo ng pera, it's okay. But we still want to help you because if you have a lot of money, you don't want to lose all your money. You don't want to mismanage all your money. Kaya nagkaroon tayo ng financial education. Rich, average, or poor, kailangan ng financial education. If you have a lot of money, you don't want to lose your hard-earned money. If nagkulang ka ng pera, you want more money. If you have enough money, then you want to preserve and not waste your money, right? So in ING, magkakaroon ka ng savings program, magkakaroon ka ng extra income, and magkakaroon ka ng financial education. What more can you ask this Christmas? What more can you ask this December to change the course of your life? Hindi mo pa ito nagawa, kaya gawin mo na. Because long time ago, you have done a lot of money mistakes, kaya ganyan yung buhay mo ngayon financially. Okay? If you keep doing the same things, you get the same result. If you have the same mindset for the next 2 to 3 years, guess what? After 2 to 3 years, you still end up with the same situation, in the same situation as you are now. But if you start doing something different, just like joining IMG, and this time you are in a better path, this time you're nakafocus ka sa financial goals mo, kasi long time ago, hindi ka nakafocus sa financial goals mo. Ngayon, nakafocus ka. And ngayon, dinagdagan natin yung income mo. And ngayon, alam mo na the importance of saving. In the next 2 to 3 years, your life will change. I'm not saying instantly, but your life will change because you decide to do something different and you decide to change the way you think about money. Okay? So after this, you have to choose basic or associate. You have to choose basic or associate. And the good news is, the step 1 is we can easily pre-approve your membership. If you give your full name, date of birth, and email address to the person who invited you, we can easily pre-approve your membership. Plus, you already get first few chapters of this book. If you're not yet a member, we can pre-approve your membership. That's step 1. Step 2 is for the final approval of your membership, you have to decide a bank transfer, BPI, BDO, Union Bank, PNB, whatever convenient bank account you have. You can just do bank transfer. Pwede mo na ipadala sa Lulier or Palawan so that may process yan ng friend mo. Okay? Because that payment, that membership is not for your friend. Kasi your friend is already a member. He doesn't make a single peso out of it. Yung ginagawa niya, service. Kasi siya pa yung nag-e-encode. Yung friend mo pa yung nag-prepare everything, service po. Hindi tayo kumikita sa membership, but we are being rewarded by helping people get started on saving. Kasi pag traditional business ka, you make money when you encourage people to spend. That is the traditional way of making money. Encourage people to spend, you make money. The more people spend, the more you make money. That's the traditional way. But in IMG is this. Start with financial education, and the more people you educate, the more you get rewarded. And the more people you teach to save and invest the right way, the more you get rewarded. And sabi naman ni Brother Bo Sanchez, God wants you to help others prosper. That's why He wants to prosper you first. Okay, sabi niya ni Bo Sanchez, God wants you to help others prosper. That's why God wants you to prosper first. So dito sa IMG, dalawa yung mangyayari. You help others prosper while you prosper yourself. Because you cannot teach other how to prosper, how to manage their money, if ikaw mismo walang idea how to manage your own money. You cannot say to other people, manage your money, pay your debts, become debt-free, if you yourself do not know all these things. That's why dalawa yung mangyari, yung sinabi ni Boss Sanchez. While you prosper others, you prosper yourself. Di ba mas maganda yan kaysa traditional business? Ikaw lang yung mayaman, traditional business, ikaw lang yung nagkakapera. Yung bumili sa'yo ng tanim, namatay naman yung tanim. Di ba? Ibigay mo ba ulit yung pera sa kanya kasi namatay yung tanim niya? Hindi. Because that's what traditional business do. Right? So same thing. No, nagbebenta ka ng vitamins, iniihi lang niya yung vitamins. Isusuli mo ba kasi iniihi na yung vitamins? Hindi naman siya naging healthy sa vitamins mo. Isusuli mo ba yung pera? Hindi. That's traditional business. Bumibili siya ng pagkain sa'yo. After that, iniihi lang niya or pinupupo lang niya yung pagkain, di ba? isusuoli mo ba yung pagkain? No, that's traditional business. You make money when people spend money. But if you want something, a different business, if you want to make a difference in your life, especially sa panahon ngayon, times have changed, do something with it. Do something different. Help people prosper, teach people financial education, and you get rewarded along the way. It's not just one time, lifetime. 14 years na po ako dito sa IMG. Marami na po tayong natulungan, and you are about to help your family and yourself. That's why kailangan ka nang mag-join ng IMG. No one can help you if you cannot help yourself. All right? Guys, this ends our series for 1 week, financial education session, lunch and learn. I hope I shared to you 4 days of information that can change your life, but it's not enough. When you join IMG, you'll change your life completely. Not just your life, but your family's life, your neighbor's life, kapatid, kaibigan, kamag-anak, kapuso, everybody surrounding you, you will be making a difference to them. All right, guys, have a great lunch. Keep safe. Have a great weekend. See you on the next webinar. Bye-bye. God bless.